What is phonetics and how does it analyze speech sounds? Imagine trying to understand how people produce and hear speech sounds without even seeing their mouths move. That's what phonetics is all about. It's the study of how humans make, transmit, and interpret speech sounds. Think of it as the science behind every word you speak and hear. When we talk about analyzing speech sounds, phonetics breaks down the process into clear parts. It looks at how sounds are made, how they travel through the air, and how our brains recognize them. Phonetics has three main areas. The first is articulatory phonetics. This part studies how our vocal organs work together to produce sounds. For example, when you say the letter P, your lips close and then burst open. Or when you say T, your tongue touches your teeth. It's like a tiny concert of muscles and organs working in harmony. The second area is acoustic phonetics. This focuses on the physical properties of sound waves. It measures things like pitch, loudness, and how long a sound lasts. Using special tools, scientists can visualize these sound waves to see how speech travels through the air. The third is auditory or perceptual phonetics. This looks at how our ears and brains process sounds. It studies how we recognize different speech sounds and tell them apart. To help us understand and write down speech sounds accurately, phonetics uses symbols from the International Phonetic Alphabet. These symbols give each sound a unique mark, making it easier to show pronunciation in dictionaries or language lessons. When we analyze speech sounds, we look at the smallest units called phonemes. These are the tiny sounds that change meaning. For example, changing the B in bat to P makes pat. Recognizing these sounds helps us understand language better. Phonetics isn't just for linguists. It helps language learners pronounce words correctly, guides speech therapists in fixing speech issues, and even helps in forensic work to identify speakers. It also explains how sound patterns like alliteration or rhyme work in poetry and speech. In short, phonetics is the detailed study of speech sounds. It looks at how sounds are created, how they move through the air, and how we hear and understand them. This knowledge helps us speak clearly, understand others better, and appreciate the rich variety of human language.